Imagine a world where a deadly disease wiped out half the population, and people believed it was caused by bad smells. During the 14th century, the Black Death killed millions. Doctors wore bird-like masks filled with herbs, thinking it would protect them from miasma or poisonous air. These creepy masks were early attempts at disease prevention. The plague didn't just kill people, it changed society. Labor shortages shifted power to workers, and new ideas about medicine slowly took hold. It's wild how much fear and mystery surrounded pandemics before we understood germs. Next time you wear a mask, remember, history's masks were way weirder. What other bizarre pandemic practices existed?